Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to properly wrap your hands for boxing. Let's get started. Alright guys, I usually wrap around 3 or 4 times. And then I take that wrap from around my hand and neatly create a small cushion. I hold it with my thumb and put it over my knuckle right in the middle and have the tail end of the wrap on the pinky side and start wrapping from there. I go 1, 2, 3 times around the hand. Make sure the cushion part is nice and neat right on top of your 4 knuckles. I go to the wrist and I start making an X formation. After I wrap the wrist twice, I now go to the thumb to lock the thumb into position. Once the thumb is secured, I wrap it one more time around the wrist, and then I start making my X pattern going towards the pinky, in between the pinky and ring finger first. Go through, underneath, and around, and back around the thumb. From there, once it comes back around the thumb, I go through the ring finger and the middle finger and follow the same steps again, under, over, and around. At this point, I like to stop and start really forming that cushion at the top of the knuckles. Lastly, once everything is done, I come back around and I end the wrap right on the main wrist bone, and that part I kind of make a little bit tighter to make sure that my wrist is very secure. Alright guys, thanks for watching this tutorial.